Here are 7 amazing ways that oysters are good for your health. Oysters are called the milk of the sea, and they are in season from December to March. Calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, iron, etc. It has a lot of important nutrients. In particular, energy plays a big role in our bodies. In winter, glycogen and lipid levels are higher than in summer. When in season, oysters are. It is known for having a great taste and being good for you. Seafood has the most zinc of any food. It is also a good example of a food that gives you energy. So let me tell you about 7 ways oysters are good for your health. First, it's good for your bones. The name, milk of the sea, comes from the fact that oysters have strong bones. It has a lot of calcium. It's good for the growth and development of children. It also helps keep women from getting osteoporosis. In addition to calcium, protein and zinc. It also has a lot of minerals, like iron and magnesium. It helps keep your bones healthy and stops you from getting anemia. It is good for boosting the immune system. Oysters are in season in the winter, and they are a good way to boost your immune system. Minerals like zinc and iron, calcium, copper, iodine. Because it contains a lot of vitamins B and E. It is a good way to boost your immune system. In particular, the zinc in oysters is important for how insulin works in the body. Zinc is also an essential mineral that helps make nutrients, among other things. Keep respiratory epithelial cells safe from long-term illnesses. If there aren't enough white blood cells, they can't do things like protect the immune system. Helps the body's defenses. Good for the health of the third blood vessel. Taurine is found in large amounts in oysters. To bring down blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Because it helps with things like atherosclerosis, angina pectoris, heart attacks, etc. Helps prevent vascular disease. Also, the magnesium in oysters calms nerves and relieves stress. Because it makes blood vessels more flexible, it is also good for people with high blood pressure. Also, it tastes good. Fourth, it helps take care of your skin. People say that eating oysters is good for your skin. People know it's good. Oysters have vitamins and minerals in them. Boost the production of collagen and melanocytes. Because it helps get rid of things like melasma, spots, etc. Helps keep the skin clear. Fifth, it helps get rid of tiredness. Oysters have iron, taurine, protein, and vitamins that help tired people feel better. Because it has a lot of minerals and amino acids. It is also a food that helps your body feel better and heal. Taurine and glycogen are also found in oysters. Excellent for making the liver work better. It can also help get rid of a hangover. Sixth, it's good for your brain. Oysters help the brain work better. It has a lot of taurine, zinc, and DHA. It works to improve memory and help the brain grow. The zinc in oysters keeps brain function from getting worse. Helps you remember things. DHA helps improve brain functions like memory and the ability to think. B vitamins, amino acids, and other things are good for brain health and can help keep you from getting dementia. Seventh, it can help keep you from getting diabetes. Oysters have zinc, which helps keep blood sugar in check. Because it helps insulin work better. Helps stop diabetes and people from getting it. Taurine and selenium are also found in a lot of oysters. It also helps keep diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke from happening to adults. Also, the selenium in oysters is a cancer-causing substance. Since it helps get rid of free radicals. It helps keep colorectal, breast, liver, and stomach cancer from happening. The zinc in oysters not only helps keep the prostate healthy, but it also makes men stronger. Next, we'll talk about the bad things that can happen when you eat oysters. Food poisoning from the norovirus is often caused by oysters, which are often eaten in the winter. People know that it is a medium-sized aquatic product. Since heat makes norovirus weak, it is safer to eat cooked oysters instead of raw ones. Products like cooking for heating and eating in product packaging can be found among the peeled oysters. Products with the mark must be kept at high temperatures between 85 and 90 degrees. This product needs to be cooked, so keep that in mind. When taken in too much, it can also cause diarrhea, stomach pain, and vomiting. It is best not to feed too much. During the breeding season, spring and summer. Oysters are poisonous, so please keep that in mind. So far, we have talked about how oysters are good for you. Why not take care of your health today by eating oysters? Then I'll see you again next time with good news. Thanks for coming to watch. If the video helped you, please like it and subscribe to it. Thanks a lot.